Hello, this is LiquidOcelot, and guys, today I'm going to show you how to automatically post your YouTube videos to your Facebook page. So let's get started, my friends. The website that I'm going to use for this automated publishing on Facebook is called Zapier.com. We are on the main dashboard of Zapier, so I'll search for an app, YouTube. Now with this one I'll just choose Facebook and choose specifically Facebook pages. Now triggers, what happens, new video in channel, and action is I'll post, create page post. Now I'll click use this app. So I'll just add a new account, my YouTube account in this section. LiquidOcelot, allow. And with this I'll just choose my URL, unique URL, YouTube channel unique URL, the second one, paste it and refresh fields. Now I'll click continue. I'll skip this test. Now for Facebook pages, first I'll add my Facebook account. Continue as Red Hat Ocelot, and here my Facebook pages account, I have chosen this one, and continue. Now I'll choose the post. Which post? This one, LiquidOcelot YouTube channel. This is my Facebook page. In message I'll just mention the title and put a space bar, as well as the hi URL image thumbnail, and in link URL I'll just paste YouTube URL and just continue, and just test. So it is working, my friends. I think I should check my page. If it's working, it should show over here. Some sort of ping should have gone to this page. I don't think so. As soon as a new video will be uploaded, the ping will go on. And now I'll go to my main page, and I have already created this app. So I hope you liked this video, my friends, how to automatically post your YouTube videos to your Facebook page. Thanks for watching, my friends. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. If you have any questions, also let me know. Take care, my friends. I'll be signing off.